Folks, you're actually welcome to my channel, and thank you for watching my videos so far, and thank you for following me through. This day I want to talk about a platform that can help you to actually earn passive income. When I actually got introduced to crypto some years ago, it was actually a conversation between a friend and another friend. I wasn't even involved in it, but my ears were on the ground. That happened when we were in college, and he was talking about some coins with a friend. I was hearing some sounds. So I went to him some days later, and I said, I overheard you talk about something. He said, what would it be? I was like, oh, this. So he said, okay, this is it. And he said, okay. I said, how do I start? Oh, he said it's very risky, blah, blah, blah. Or buy some coins and just keep them in a wallet and watch them grow and make money with it. That was a simple advice I was giving. I was not giving advice on things like how you can actually make money apart from just keeping them in your wallet. Okay, should you keep them in your wallet? Can't you make money with them lending them to lending platforms? Can't you put them in a Masternode? Can't you stake them? Can't you do other things to make money with cryptocurrencies? I wasn't talking about. I was just saying. I just thought, hey, buy a coin like this or Bitcoin Cash or whatsoever. Keep it in your wallet. You see this thing as it's growing. Someday you make a move. That was all I was taught. So today we'll go beyond the norm. If you go to masternodes.online, there are other sites like masternodes.pro. So there are very basic sites that talk about masternodes. They talk about all the masternodes, the different kind of masternodes that are in the market right now, and compares the different rates that are there. So these are the top coins right now by rates and ROI and blah blah blah. Masternodes approach is loading. So in the first instance, you might be asking, what are masternodes? I think we need a middle start from there. What are masternodes in the first instance? So masternodes are very, very simple. They are not conventional kind of nodes. What I mean by that is that there's a lot of improved things about them that you should be aware. Now, here is what I mean by that. In the conventional crypto, for example, there is something called security of the network. There's something called facilitation of payment processing and all that. So masternodes are step ahead of the curve when it comes to these kind of things. They were actually the first masternode that actually came as a result of Dash. So Dash is a kind of privacy coin. So they brought it to things beyond just processing payment. How do we process instant payment? How do we do private transactions? How do we do things like treasury and all that? That is where. How do we do things like decentralized governance through voting? That is where the masternodes came about. So let's talk a little about IQ.cash. So IQ.cash, it's a simple platform. What they are all about is they want to help people make money with cryptocurrencies. So what are they all about? They brought an innovative system where the transactions fees in this platform actually goes to 3 entities. We have the Masternode bonus, we get 57%. We have the miners in the system, who get 43%. Then we have project developers, who get 6%. So with the masternodes, you will ensure that transactions will be private, they will be fast. With the miners in the network, you are assured that the network will always be secure. Someone cannot come and do 51% attack and do a lot of things. With the specifically to the project developers, you will ensure that a lot of activities will be added. The developers will be incentivized to do that. Now, if we click learn about Masternode, which we'll talk about in a moment, there are several kind of wallets for your system. If you're using Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, Mac, you can click on it. Then you can actually calculate your income, the yield you get after some period. And these are some of the features like it's decentralization, security, asset resistance, transaction speed, anonymity. And these are some of the exchanges it's currently being listed on. HBTC, one of the biggest exchanges out there, Bitforest, Bitom Global, Coinsbit, Crest24, BBP, 2BB, and other. So what are some of the communities? You can reach to them on Telegram and other. Now there's something I want you to pay attention to. Let me zoom it so that you can see. It's this deal. Now you can come to the Explorer, you can see a lot of transactions, you can come to the pool, you can see a lot of things. Masternode guide, you can click on it and you see. Now the deal is actually a place where you can actually submit proposals. I have this proposal, I think I'm going to do this. You can put it in writing, submit it, and you are rest assured that when the community vets it and say, wow, this thing is good, they'll give it support by funding. Now you can see where the 6% is actually coming to. Here is total amount that is available for our budget, and these are some of the stuff that have been submitted so far. And this is the Explorer. You can explore the network, you can see the price, the coin supply. It's not really much right now. It's like some millions. These are some of recent transactions and so this is the pool. You can get a lot of information about the pool, help, statistics, and all that. So it's a very, very good platform for you to actually look into. However, everything I've said here should not be misconstrued for financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Thank you very much. I should look at this platform. Thank you. Bye-bye.